Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So again today we are here for learning science and today we learn about plants. I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubasiramis, and we learn about food in this lecture. So we continue our lesson number 4, plant as food, and today we are doing revision activity. So let's start our today's topic, revision activity, with one beautiful line, that it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So if you do any work or if you going slowly, if your progress is slow, then it doesn't matter because you are walking. So if your progress is slow, then it doesn't matter. But the good thing is that how long you go. So keep in your mind that it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop, that you are not stopped anywhere. You are walking or running. It doesn't matter that it is a slope. So keep in your mind that. Let's start our today's topic. Before that, let's revise what we learned in previous lecture. So we learn about tea, coffee and sugar in previous lecture. As you know that we learn food from plant in this lesson number 4. So yesterday we learned about tea, coffee and sugar. We learned that how we get tea, coffee and sugar from plant. So, tea, coffee and sugar. First, we learn about tea in previous lecture, that how we get tea from plant. So, here you can see the picture of tea which we learned yesterday. Dust of tea and tea which we drink at our home. That from we get tea from plant, and how we learned yesterday. So we see the picture of tea plant. Then we see that tea grow on mountains. So tea plant grow on mountains. Here you can see the picture of mountains on which tea grow. Then we learn that we make a tea dust from tea leaf. So how we make it? That we take a leaf, then we dry it, it become a black in color, then we grind it. After then we get tea dust for our home. So like that we make a tea from tea leaf. So now you can understand that the tea dust which we use in our house we get from tea leaf. Then we learn about two types of tea, green tea and black tea. We learn that both tea we can drink at home. Here you can see the picture of green tea and black tea. This both tea are we make from the black tea. It is a black tea, and second picture is a tea with milk which we drink in morning also in breakfast. Then we learn about coffee. Here you can see the picture of coffee bean which we learn in previous lecture. What we learn about coffee in previous lecture? We learn that we get coffee from coffee beans or coffee seeds. We dry the seeds of coffee, then we grind it and we use in our house. So here you can see that first we dry the seed, then we roast it, then we make a powder of coffee. Then we see that how we use coffee in our house. Black coffee which we make without milk, and milk coffee which we make with milk in coffee. So we learn that black coffee is more healthy than milk coffee. Then we learn about sugar which we get from plant, and we also learn that we get sugar from sugar cane. So now you can understand that sugar cane plant give us sugar. Then we learn that which plant give us sugar. So we see the picture of sugar cane which you can see here. We get sugar from plant. Which plant? It is a sugar cane plant. So we get sugar from plant. Now how we get sugar from sugar plant? We learn in previous lecture that first we take out the juice of sugar cane, then we heat it, boil it, and then we get sugar cane juice. Then we use to make sugar in factories. So now you can understand that tea, coffee and sugar we get from plants. So we use sugar in making things sweet. So we use in ice cream also, and also we use in many dishes, sweet dishes. So many sweet dishes we make with sugar. So sugar we get from plant. So in this lesson we learn about different types of food from plant. From this sugar, tea and coffee we also get from plants. So yesterday we learned that we get tea, sugar and coffee from plant. So in lesson number 4 we learn about food we get from plant. So let's start our today's topic, that plant as a food, and today we do revision with activity. So first let's revise what we learn in lesson number 4. We learn about food we get from plant. We learn about different types of food which we get from plant. As you know that we eat so many things in meal also, in breakfast also, and in lunch also. So from this we eat some things from plants and some things from animals. So in this lesson we learn about things we get from plant, like fruits, vegetables and many other. Spices also we get from plant, dry fruits also we get from plant. So we get fruits from plant. Every fruit like mango, watermelon, muskmelon, strawberry, banana, orange and many other. So all fruits we get from plant. Then we learn that we get vegetables from plant. Here you can see the picture of vegetables which we learn. So we get fruits and vegetables from plant. Here you can see the picture of fruits and vegetables. In one picture you only see the fruits, and in second picture you can see that fruits also and vegetables also. So we get fruits and vegetables from plant. Then we learn about cereals and pulses which we also get from plant. We learn that wheat, rice, corn and many other we get from plant. So we grow wheat also. We learn that how we use rice in our food. Then we learn about pulses, in which we learn that chickpea, kidney beans and many other. So which give us nutrients for our body. So many vitamins are available in pulses. So we learn that we get chickpea and kidney beans and many other pulses. From this we learn that we use chickpea flour also in our house. Like that, wheat, a cereal which we use in our food daily. In lunch also, in breakfast also and in dinner also, because we make a chapati or roti from the wheat. We also use rice in our daily food. So we learn about cereals and pulses we get from plant. We also learn that bread we make from wheat flour. Then we learn about tea, coffee and sugar, which we revise today, that we get tea from tea leaf which grow in mountain. We learn about coffee seeds which give us coffee powder. We roast it and we make a powder. We also learn that how we get coffee seed from plant. We see the picture of coffee plant in previous lecture. That red color fruit, we get seed from it and we make a powder of coffee from it. Then we learn about sugar which we get from sugarcane plant. We learn that how we make sugar from sugarcane juice, that we boil it, then we froze it, then we get sugar from it. And we also learn that how we use tea, coffee and sugar in our house. So when we make tea or coffee, we use sugar in it, and we also use sugar in many sweet dishes like ice cream, like many things which we make our home. We also use sugar in making chocolates also and milkshake also. When we make mango juice or a mango milkshake, we add sugar in it for sweetness. So in our house, no any dishes, sweet dishes we make without sugar. So these all things we learn about food in lesson number 4. Then we learn about vegetables or fruits, and we learn that which part of the plant we eat. So we learn about root vegetables. So we learn that carrot, onion and beetroot is a root of the plant. That's why we called it root vegetables. We learn that these all things grow underground. That's why we called it root vegetable, and these things are root of the plant. Then we learn about stem we eat. So potato and ginger are stem we eat. We also see the example of sugarcane, which is a stem of the plant. So we learn about stem we eat, which is not grow underground. Here is two pictures, that potato and ginger. So it is a stem of the plant, but it grow underground. Still it is a stem of the plant. So we learn that some stem grow underground. Then we learn that leaf we eat. So we learn about cabbage and spinach. So we see the different type of cabbage also. Red cabbage also and green cabbage also. So here is the two picture leaf we eat as a food. We learn that flower we eat. So which flower we eat? Cauliflower and broccoli. So here you can see the picture of flower, the part of the plant which we eat. So we not only eat fruit of the plant and leaf of the plant, we eat every part of the plant. We also learn that flower like rose we add in our cold drinks for flavor. Then we learn about fruit we eat, which you know already. And we learn that some vegetables like brinjal and tomatoes and many other are fruit of the plant. So these all things we get from plant and we use in our food. And we learn cereals we get from plant, wheat, rice and corn. Then we learn about pulses we get from plant, chickpea, peas and kidney beans. And also learn about tea, coffee and sugar. So now let's remember food we get from plant. So here is one activity which help you to remember what we learn in lesson number 4. So first we revise that what we get from plant. Now let's see which part of the plant we eat in our food. So food we get from plant. Here you can see one picture in which you can see that part of the plant we eat. So here 5 part of the plant you can see: flower, roots, stem, fruit and leaf. So we eat cauliflower as a flower, then we eat roots, it's a carrot, then stem, potato, then fruit, apple and leaf, spinach. So every part of the plant we eat, but not every plant's every part we eat. That we learn in this lesson. That we only eat root of the carrot plant and we only eat apple of the apple tree. So let's start our today's activity. Here you can see 3 pictures and you can read that what is hint. Root we eat. So what you have to do here, that you have to circle the odd one from this. So here you can see 3 pictures: carrot, apple and beetroot. Now it is a picture of root of the plant. From this, which is not root of the plant? So first carrot. So carrot is a root of the plant. Let's remember that we grow carrot which grow underground. So carrot is a root of the plant. And then apple. Is apple grow underground? No, it is grow on tree. It is not grow in land. And beetroot, it's already in name of beetroot, root. So the answer is apple. So why apple is answer? Because carrot and beetroot are root of the plant when apple is a fruit of the plant. Remember we learned that how apple grow from flower on tree. So apple is a fruit of the plant when carrot and beetroot is a root of the plant. You can see carrot is dancing. So we use carrot in making sweet dish, yummy sweet dish. So now you understand that how you do this activity, that circle the odd one. which is different from other two. So let's see second picture. Yes, here is a spinach. You can see here that spinach is a healthy food. If you see the cartoon of Popeye the Sailor Man, Popeye get energy from eating spinach. So spinach give us energy. So what is hint here? That leaf we eat. From this picture, which is a leaf of the plant. So from this, which one is not leaf of the plant? First is spinach, second is cabbage, and third is potato. So spinach is a leaf, we can see. Cabbage is also leaf. And potato, I can't see any leaf on potato. So yes, potato is a stem of the plant, not leaf of the plant. So we learn in this lesson that potato is the stem of the plant, when spinach and cabbage are leaf of the plant. So which is odd one from this? Potato. So here you can circle the potato. Number 3. Which 3 picture you can see here? Sugarcane, potato and carrot. So what you have to find from it? Which is not stem of the plant. So first is sugarcane. Remember we learned that sugarcane is a stem of the plant while we use as a fruit in our food. But it is a stem of the plant. Potato we use to make chips and fries. So potato is also stem of the plant. Carrot is a stem of the plant. It's look like stem. No, but it is the underground part of the plant. So it is a root of the plant. So which is odd one? It is a carrot. So now you can understand that carrot is look like stem, but it is not stem of the plant. It is a root of the plant because it grow underground. Let's see fourth number. Yes, here you can see cauliflower, broccoli and onion. So which is a flower of the plant? It's look like flower. So it is a cauliflower, and the broccoli is also look like flower, but onion not look like flower. So what is odd one from it? Onion. Why? Because onion is a root of the plant, not a flower of the plant. So when you see onion, remember that it is a root of the plant, and cauliflower and broccoli is a flower of the plant. Number 5. Yes, sugar. From where we get sugar? We get sugar from sugarcane plant. Then tea. It is a tea dust we use in making tea in morning. So we make a tea from tea leaf and butter. You eat a sandwich, butter sandwich. What we use in it? Butter. So we get butter from plant. You see anywhere butter plant? No. So butter we get from animals, not from plants. So which is odd one? Food we get from plant. We not get butter from plant. Then number 6. Yes, here is a fruit. Mango, brinjal and sugarcane. So 2 are fruits and 1 is not fruit. So which is not fruit? Mango is fruit and sugarcane we eat as a fruit. But sugarcane is not fruit of the plant. It is a stem of the plant. and brinjal is a fruit of the plant. Remember, we see the picture of brinjal plant, that flower changes into the fruit. So which is odd one? Sugar cane, because sugar cane is a stem of the plant like potato and ginger. Then 7 number. Now number 7. Which picture is this? Picture of wheat, maize and peas. So from this, what you have to find, that which one is not cereal of plant. So first is wheat. So we learn about wheat, that we eat wheat in every meal. We make a roti or chapati from wheat. Then maize, we make a popcorn from maize. We called it corn also. So third one is peas, from which we make delicious food. So from this, which is not cereals? Remember, we learn about cereals, that wheat, maize and rice. And we learn about peas in pulses. So peas is a seed of the plant. So here the odd one is peas. So now you understand that what is different between pulses and cereals. That pulses are seeds of the plant. It's look like seeds, both of them. Wheat and maize are look like seeds, but it is a cereals. So now you can understand that odd one is peas. Then here pulses we eat. Now first picture is chickpeas. We learn that we make many things from chickpeas, flours also, and we make a roti or chapati from wheat flour. Then we make a delicious dish from peas. From this, which is not pulses. So chickpea and peas are pulses, when wheat is a cereal. So now you can understand that difference between pulses and cereals. Then number 9. What did you see here? Here you can see the coffee, milk and tea. Now from this, what we not get from plant? First is coffee. So when we make coffee, what we use? We use coffee powder, which we get from plants. Then when we make a tea, so we add in tea dust. So from where we get tea dust? From plant. And milk, is there any plant of milk? No. So milk we get from animals. So food we get from plant, coffee and tea. We not get milk from plant. So odd one is milk. Then next, what did you see in picture? Fruits, vegetables and chicken. So now from this, which thing we not get from plant? We get fruits from plant. We get vegetables from plant. We don't get chicken from plant. So which thing we not get from plant? Chicken. Chicken is an animal. So chicken meat we get from chicken. So odd one is chicken. Now you can understand that not every food we get from plant. And chicken tikka is a food which we get from animals. So odd one is chicken tikka. Now you can understand that how we find the difference between fruits and vegetable, between cereal and pulses, and between things we get from plant and we get from animals. Let's revise what we learned today. We learned that every part of the plant we eat and we divide in different name. First we learn about roots. From this we find that apple is not root of the plant. Then we learn that leaf of the plant and potato is not leaf of the plant. Then we learn about stem. So we learn that carrot is look like stem but it is not stem of the plant. Then we learn about flower we eat and onion is not flower of the plant. Then we find that tea and sugar we get from plant but butter is not we get from plant. Then mango, sugarcane and brinjal. So mango and brinjal is a fruit of the plant when sugarcane is a stem of the plant but we eat as a fruit in our food. Then we learn that peas is a pulses, not cereals. Then we learn that how wheat, chickpea and peas are different from each other. So wheat is a cereal of the plant and chickpea and peas are pulses we eat. Then coffee, milk and tea. So we get milk from animals, not from plant. And again we learn that fruit, vegetables and here is a chicken. So these we get from animals, not from